third day at may tour na tayo, guys. So, let's go.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. Come and keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. That I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody.
Night. Here. So, mayroon na tayo. Tour 8 tayo ngayon, mga kamini. So, today is our third day na here in El Nido. At buti na lang, gumanda yung panahon. So, mayroon tayong tour.
Hey, when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. But I don't get.
Hey, ayan, await lang po tayo sa ating boat. And, papunta pa lang. So, nauna na pala yung iba. Pero yung boat namin ay sinaantay pa. So, ayan, on the way na daw. On the way. 9:05 pa naman. So, may time pa. Okay, enjoy the view.
Essential, the grind is all in your mental. Man, I don't think you understand what you go through.
Ayan, ayun na yung ating boat.
Ano? Ang sermo mo?
Nasa bag?
Wala.
Nasa bag. Luloko muna naman ako. Ayun ang aming boat. Christiana Paul. Dito ka.
Patience, and if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some
May dalawa pa naman daw na anantay.
I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing.
Naluto na siguro yun.
That I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. Tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make
One for
sense.
me.
They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. Come and keep chasing.
Okay, meron tayong burger. Babili na tayo kasi nagutom na kami. Hansalaan tsaka sinap. Yay! Great. Let's go!
So you don't, where you from? Yeah, so you don't understand Filipino language? So you don't understand, please understand, okay? Because English today is 12 noon is running out, expire na. Okay? So everybody clap your hands to another country, okay?
Yay!
Thank you for incoming for here in Iloilo, Palawan. Thank you for visiting. Okay? So everyone, so good morning everyone!
Good morning!
Okay, so welcome aboard. So mabuhay. So everyone will kayak. We have kayak available in the Big Lagoon. Now, good 2 person is 300 pesos. We have 3 person is 500 pesos. Good for 1 hour. Okay. Third, Shimizu Islands. You are having lunch in the last snorkeling area. Is the best snorkeling here in Iloilo, Palawan. So a lot of penguin later. So everyone, so before you go to the island, so we have a rules and regulation about safety in your own. Okay. Please, ma'am and sir, so not allowed to trust anything but food, please. Bring nothing but memory and kill nothing but time. Okay?
Yeah.
So everyone, so we don't have enough time. So first,
Well said.
7 commando, like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. I will discuss later for information. Okay? So good morning, welcome aboard. Enjoy the adventure. God bless. Pag-watch mo lang.
Thank you. Let's go.
about the swimming area. You see the swimming area? Behind of that last boat. There's a big wave and then there's the current. For our safety na lang po, maybe later na po tayo swimming. Okay, our activity here only relaxing and picture taking. Okay? We still around 30 minutes lang po. We need to divide to our time. Because the Coast Guard advice, until 3 p.m., all the boat is going back to the town. Is that okay? Okay, maybe I will stay longer in the Big Lagoon.
Ayan, nakababa na kami sa picture taking lamang dito. Hindi, binigay lang sa akin. Hindi to sa akin. Ay, hindi to sa akin. Ay, matamaan ka. Hindi ko alam kung kanino to.
Sa'yo to? Ay, ano?
Akala ko sa kanya. Antayin natin silaan. Antayin po natin silaan. Iwan mo na lang dyan, tapos balikan na lang natin. Ako na lang magbitbit mamaya, ha?
Eh, para pag manakaw. Oo, magnanakaw ba niyan?
Hindi mo lang mananakaw yan. Tingnan mo nga yung buhangin, oh. Oh, hindi na nga kailangan mag-ano, oh. Hindi na kailangan mag-chanelas. Gusto mo ba na aqua shoot? Tuwang-tuwa sila. Ay! Oo, matamaan ka!
Oh, balik na tayo, balik na!
Sabi ko na, ibibigay sa ako. Bibigay sa taas eh.
Ayan. So, nandito na kami. Picture, picture.
Picture, tara, picture.
Dito ka dyan sa... Dapat meron tayong happy birthday, Jen, para sa vlog mo. Dali natin sa kurtina. Wait lang kuya. Oo. Nakakahiya kasi sa'yo.
Pwede magubad, wag lang lahat. Okay lang yun. Hindi pa naman sana ba? Siyempre, tanggalin natin, sir.
Okay.
Yung ano eh, malabo eh.
Pwede na bumalik. Nakatapat na lang yun ah. Yan, kuya.
Mamaya ako nila kasi. Awan.
Ulit? One ulit?
Ready? Awan. Sigaw kayo ha.
Ano pa daw? Happy birthday. Ano?
Sigaw po kayo ha. Pagbalik ko po.
Ano sa birthday?
Ha?
Happy birthday din! Tsaka di ba kasi tumingin kuya? Sigaw sila ganun.
Ba't ikaw di kasali? Umalis ka na lang. Hindi ka kasali. Sige na, sige
Happy
na.
birthday to myself.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
Happy birthday, Jen!
Okay. Ma'am, tapunan ma'am. Ma'am, tapos. Grabe ka na rin, kumakaroon.
Hindi na kasi.
Hindi pa tapos
May
eh.
mga ganong trend pala kuya. Hindi mo naman ako. Oh, yung ganda! Thank you kuya!
Sige pa. Sabay na lang. Sir, nandoon yung ano sir ha? Yung ano po. Apa, thank you po.
Ganda!
Okay, tapos na ang pictorial. Solo naman. Ang ganda oh.
So wala akong pang Victoria.
Ganda dito. Hey!
Masaya ako.
Tangga! Picture tayo. Sulitin natin ang El Nido habang may araw pa. Yes. Thank you, Lord! TV 18 lang. Woo! Hey! Video nga. Tangga! Justin! Pagod na yan siya eh. Eh! Ay, napipilitan. Ganda oh. Ang ganda naman eh.
Okay.
Ay, dapat doon. Videographer tayo.
Uwi na kayo bukas?
Hindi pa po, pero last tour na namin ngayon kasi dapat kahapon. Iba na kasi yung itin.
Dito maganda.
Ganon natin.
Isang desisyon lang po, kahirap nyo. Oh, lipat naman ako. Mahirap mag-photographer.
Ako, mahal ang pasahod ko kay kuya. Against the light, dapat mga ganun. 1, 2, ikaw magbilang.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yun na, wala kayo sayaw.
Yun lang ginawa nyo, palipat-lipat nyo pa ako dito.
Ano kasi hindi maraming transition na yan.
Oo. Kaya follow mo si Nap.
Sa vlog din yan, kuya.
Oh, galing.
Bakit kami?
Para makita mo yung
May basher. Totoo nga talaga yung basher natin.
Dami lang nakita mga gis kong ganyan. Pa-video ko, videohin mo kami mag-tiktok lang. Yun lang pang gagawin.
Wala, hindi kami marunong na sayo.
Ano ba magandang picture? Ay, dala niyo pala yung bag niyo. Dala natin yung bag natin. Ang ganda dito mga kanina.
Ay, nako talaga.
Wala. Ayan yung kay kuya, mahal ang ano natin dyan. Iba na talaga oh. Iba na talaga ang may sariling photographer oh. Yay! Eh, ka muna Ray. Ah, di ba? Ang galing. Kanila sa mga Tapos na kami mag-pictorial, guys. So, babalik na kami sa boat. Dahil papunta na kami sa aming second destination. At hanggang 3 PM lang ang ating tour. Dadaan nga muna ako.
Mayroon kasing dito. Ito po, dati ito April 3 to dito. May April 2, may April 1. Kaya, pinalitan lang kasi. Portano!
And dito na tayo, guys. And we will go back to our boat. Agad kami dyan.
Go! Happy birthday! O, isa pa! Okay!